You type a prompt into GPT and get an answer in seconds. But what actually happens in between? First, your text is tokenized. That means it's broken into smaller pieces called tokens. Then each token is converted into numbers called embeddings. Now the model can process it. Next, the prompt goes through the transformer. Every token looks at every other token using self-attention, figuring out what matters in context. Then this passes through multiple layers, refining meanings step by step. Now comes the key part. GPT doesn't generate the whole answer at once. It predicts one token at a time. For each step, it looks at all previous tokens, computes probabilities for the next one, picks the most likely option, then repeats, over and over. That's why responses feel like a stream. But here's the catch. Each new token depends on everything before it. That's why generation is sequential, not parallel, and why it can slow down with longer prompts. Behind the scenes, optimizations like KV Cache and FlashAttention help make this fast enough to feel instant. So when you send a prompt, you're not getting an answer. You're triggering a loop of predictions running dozens of times per second. And that loop is what powers modern AI.